All right, so I'm Sandra and I've been at the clinic now for 2.5 months. I've suffered from a recto vaginal fistula for 16 years and I've come from Australia. And it's been a long journey for me to summon the courage to come and see Healing Hands Clinic, and I'm so glad I did. It's been a great journey for me because of all the follow-ups that Dr. Ashwin did, and he's been so conscientious along with his team to get me to the stage today where I'm able to leave and go home. And I've been so grateful for this journey with Healing Hands Clinic. So I haven't had any surgery for my fistula before, and I've been living with it for 16 years now. And I'm glad I summoned that courage to see Dr. Ashwin Porwal and his team. He's done an amazing job. He's worked so hard to basically fix everything that needed to be fixed, and even tracks which were not related to the fistula itself, to get me on my best course to heal properly and get the fistula basically to heal the way it's supposed to. So all the patients that have been here and that I've met, I'm so grateful for the journey for them as well. And actually a few of us are leaving today. And I recommend anybody that is considering Healing Hands Clinic and that is currently dealing with a fistula to please contact Healing Hands Clinic. If you want to get in touch with me, please do, and I'm happy to share my experience with you. And my sincerest regards to the entire team of Fistula, of basically Healing Hands Clinic, and everyone that's actually helped me along the journey, and they've been more than kind to all of us, my mom included. And it's been the best journey I've so far experienced with a medical system, considering that I am from Australia and that I have consulted medical practitioners over there. I feel the help that I've received at the clinic has been immense. So I would like to extend my greatest gratitude, and any patients internationally who are considering or are currently living with a fistula, I definitely recommend do it sooner rather than later. Please reach out and get in contact with the clinic itself, or if you would like to get in contact with me, please do, and I'm happy to share my experience with you all. So thank you.
I just want to say, I'm so grateful for Healing Hands Clinic. I'm very grateful to Dr. Porwal and what he's done for me personally, because I have lived with this for 16 years, so it's a long time actually. So, and I'm finding some of the courage to come and get it done. I didn't allow anybody to touch me, not even one surgery until I got here. So I'm really grateful to Dr. Porwal, and I feel he deserves a Lifetime Achievement Award, to be honest.
He does, yeah.
He can't leave this planet without teaching at least another 20,000 surgeons. So at least that should be another mission. But I'm very grateful to the clinic, the staff members, the doctors, everybody at the clinic is so wonderful and has been wonderful to us. So my recommendations to everyone else.
Thank you. Nice.